Welcome to the shortwave radio channel, and well, I want to thank once again Scott Cranston for sending me this Eton Elite Executive. It has arrived, and this is an AM/FM long wave receiver with single sideband. So just got it this morning after several delays from UPS that never really sends packages on time, but at least it's here. And so here is the beautiful radio. It's nice silver colored, and of course we'll be testing that out. Got the manual, got the case that goes over it. The case is nice over the radio, but it has one problem. They really should have made little holes for this speaker, and it's probably one of the number one comments I see of a lot of people with this case is that it's nice to have it, but why didn't they put little holes to make the sound go through? That's the only thing missing. But overall, it's really nice, and it's kind of cool to have this now. So I will be testing it out, of course, doing some videos, reception videos of regular broadcasts, also of single sideband signals, and look forward for my review coming up this week, that's for sure. This will be nice. It also comes with a little power adapter. So Eton Elite Executive, it's also known as the Eton Elite Executive Satellite, but it's the same radio. So depending on how it is worded, Grundig Executive Satellite or Eton Elite Executive, it is the same radio. It's just different wording and branding. But if you look at, I think it's Radio J. Allen that has tested out, and he has actually opened both radios, and both of them are exactly the same internally, same circuit board, same revision. Nothing has changed, just really the name, basically. So my review is coming up, guys. Hope that you enjoy that, and hope that you will enjoy my videos of listening to this and reception of stations and single sideband, and of course what I think of the receiver at the same time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.